Hi, in today's video I'm gonna be installing magnetic screen. Hello again. So in today's video I'm gonna be installing magnetic screen on my door. The reason is that I have an old screen like this and there's something wrong with the tracks. I've tried to fix it. It really does not work. So the screen doesn't want to slide. It's just old, so instead of just spending, I don't know, $50, maybe even $80 on a new screen like this, I've decided to get it on Amazon. New screen costs between $20 and $30. I got it on Black Friday for about $11. So in the package that I purchased, you got a screen and then you have a Velcro with some tacks if you have a wooden door. In my situation, I have a metal door, so I'm gonna use the Velcro. Screen is made out of some kind of a polyester, I think. And here are the magnets that close the screen by itself. That's basically it. This part is sewn in, and the magnets are every, I think, 6 inches. Now I want to give you a couple of pointers before you start doing this project. Most screens that are magnetic like this that I found on Amazon, they are actually measured for the wooden entrance door, not for the aluminum doors. So double check the size, because most likely it's gonna be, this mesh is gonna be 1.5 inches to even 2 inches wider. So what I had to do is I had to go and use my sewing machine to make it a little bit narrower by 1.5 inches. Otherwise it would not have fit. I just use my sewing machine and made it a little bit shorter. So right now it's exactly 36 inches, just like I need. So in my situation, because it's metal door, it's also a little bit too long, so I'm not gonna cut it. But I just put it inside of the truck, and this part is not gonna go flush, but it will go into this groove right here. So the Velcro will go on the flat part, not on the facing side. It will go right here. One thing that you have to remember is that this surface cannot be too stretched. Otherwise, this will not going to close. If you're gonna put too much tension, then those magnets will not close on itself. So when I'm gonna be walking in, I'm gonna walk in and out. This should be able to be fairly flat, not too tight. So as you can see, the magnets can just grab the edge. So this concludes my video. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe for more videos. It's super easy project that anybody can do. And this screen is pretty good. I found it on Amazon. I'm gonna give you link in description of this video. I bought it on Black Friday for basically half the price. Right now, it's just a little bit more. It's still much better solution than spending a lot of money on a frame, screen door, and then all those rollers that are on top and on the bottom. They just drive me crazy. So it was just easier to do this, and it just looks so much more appealing. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.